So in order for you to create a Suno AI account, this is what you're going to do. The first step is to simply go ahead and open up the Suno AI website. So search for it on your favorite browsing app, whether you're on Windows or Mac. And then from here, once you've successfully opened up the website, you want to go ahead and select Join Suno for free. Once you do that, you can then go ahead and choose which social or how you want to sign into Suno AI. So once you've selected your preferred choice, so you can choose Google, Apple, iPhone, whatever it is. Now, all you need to do once you've chosen all of that is simply enter in your date of birth. And then select continue. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully created an account. So now you can go ahead and start using Suno AI to create music. Now from here, you'll be prompted to customize your profile. So you can go ahead and do so, or you can choose to skip and do that later. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.